Alright, let's go. We need 4.
I'm a waitress at Chicken Town. I like Chicken Town because we are one big family and the place is friendly, especially to our customers. We treat them right and the customers see us also as families. I love Chicken Town and I want to work here for so many years. My name is Aisha and I love Chicken Town.
Yes, Africa!
My name is Elizabeth Abikonte. Then I work at Chicken Town. Chicken Town is different in Sierra Leone because the design is unique. We never had this kind of design in Sierra Leone. And the food.
Hello, my name is Shaka Ganda. I work on the POS. I started working at Chicken Town. It was a kind of dream come true. I'd always wanted to have a kind of professional experience. I'm happy because I'm part of something like a history in Sierra Leone, the best restaurant ever in the country. I'm happy with my new position given to me by the management, that I'm the shift leader to oversee that everything goes well at Chicken Town. That was exactly my dream. That's why I'm so happy to work at Chicken Town. Dream come true. My name is Shaka and I love Chicken Town.
My name is Abdul Wanzam, a chef in Chicken Town. I like Chicken Town because the managers, they are listen manager. They listen to us. When we have our comments, they will put it under control as soon as possible. My name is Abdul and I love Chicken Town.
The whole idea is how can we promote Sierra Leonean business and Sierra Leonean people and empower them through business and entrepreneurship. Chicken Town is an awesome business because it is able to provide low-scale job opportunities for people in Sierra Leone. Being able to provide job opportunities for everyone from cleaners to waitresses to kitchen staff to finance managers. I think it's got huge potential as we scale the franchise and set up other restaurants that are part of the Chicken Town group to basically provide training and skills opportunities and job opportunities for people in Sierra Leone, one of the poorest countries in the world, where it's most needed.
I love Chicken Town!
I love Chicken Town!
I love Chicken Town!
I love Chicken Town!
Chicken Town is my first place to work at.
This is my first place to work.
Like you said, an idle mind is the devil's workshop.
3, 2, 1, Chicken Town FC!